Are affirmations evil? Is a question that has sparked a lot of debate. Some people believe that affirmations are nothing more than wishful thinking or even delusions. But today, we are here to debunk those myths and unveil the truth about affirmation. Firstly, let's define affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that we repeat to ourselves in order to foster a positive mindset and overcome self-doubt. They are tools that help us rewire our thought patterns, build self-confidence, and achieve our goals. Now let's address the first myth. Affirmations are wishful thinking. Affirmations are not just empty words. They are powerful tools rooted in psychology. When we repeat positive affirmations, we are actually reprogramming our subconscious mind. This helps us change negative beliefs and replace them with empowering thoughts. But what about the myth that affirmations are delusions? Well, affirmations are not about pretending or ignoring reality. They are about shifting our focus to the positive aspect of our life and ourselves. By consistently affirming our strength and potentials, we cultivate a mindset that acknowledges our capabilities, pushes us forward, and helps us overcome obstacles. In fact, numerous studies have shown the effectiveness of affirmation. They can lead to improved self-esteem, reduce stress levels, and increase motivation. When used properly, affirmations can be a powerful tool for personal growth and self-improvement. So, are affirmations evil? Absolutely not. They are a valuable tool that can help us transform our mindset and achieve our goals. By embracing affirmations and incorporating them into our daily lives, we unlock the incredible power of positive thinking. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more insightful content. Together, let's debunk myth and discover the truth behind the techniques that can enhance our life. If you are interested in discovering more about inner peace, building your subconscious while you sleep, then be sure to check our sleeping affirmation and related video at the first link in the description. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos helping you with self-improvement. Join our daily life to feel the presence of goddess energy, powerful meditation mantra to overcome sleep disorders. If this video helped you, subscribe our channel and let us be your life coach in your journey of self-improvement.